My name is Kamil Labanovic, and I'm an exterior design manager at Audi. The new Audi A6 Allroad is a car where the elegance meets an off-road capability. The upper body of the car is still very sporty, elegant, sleek, and has these beautiful proportions that we already know from the Audi A6 Avant. But when you look at the bottom of the car, this is where it gets interesting, because the bottom of the car turns purposeful and is built for an adventure. The new Audi A6 Allroad has, for the first time in the allroad history, a wide body. So the car is 11 centimeters wider than the A6 Avant. It also has an increased ground clearance, so the car sits higher. This means that the car looks very, very confident. Already in the front, we can appreciate the wide body of the car. So what we can see here is a specific bumper for the Audi A6 Allroad with the pronounced rings, also with the special design for the inside of the grille, and also the grille is completed by this additional element on the bottom. We have a much higher air intakes on the side. When we look closer, we see that everywhere we can find forms which are inspired by a hexagon shape. And the hexagon shape is highlighting the allroad identity throughout. When we go to the side, we can already appreciate the very wide fenders. And on the side, on the bottom, we can see also the new rocker, which has a very rugged feeling to it. So we have the larger wheels than the predecessor, and we're offering the rim size starting from 19-inch, but we can go all the way up to 21-inch. Those big wheels, they're not only improving the aesthetics and the appearance of the car, but they're also improving the dynamics. Now, when we move to the back, the rear is my favorite perspective of this vehicle, because this is where we can really appreciate these beautiful wide fenders of the car. Now, in the back, we also have a specific bumper with very pronounced diffuser, and also the central element, which is having this protective look from the bottom. When you enter the Audi A6 Allroad, the first thing you see is this beautiful curved panoramic display, which offers the virtual cockpit and also the central screen. The new Audi A6 Allroad has an off-road character, but at the same time stays very elegant and still have this premium feeling. The lights are a very important topic for Audi. The highlight on the Audi A6 Allroad is the digital matrix LED headlamps in the front, and in the back a second generation of a digital OLED. The new Audi A6 Allroad is a perfect versatile companion because it offers a smooth ride on the highway, and also it offers a lot of off-road capabilities.